Okay, guys. Today I want to tell Pastor Carlton in Shona that I love him. So let's call him. Carlton. Carlton.
Yes, Chanda.
We are Kono.
Oh, wow. Someone is speaking Shona.
We are Kono. Yes. Okay, Carlton. Dio mano. Dio tenda. We are mano.
What do you mean?
I want to say that I love you with all my heart. Dinotenda, muya wangu, muya
Or you wanted to say I love you with all my heart.
Yes.
Okay.
Did I not speak well?
Can you say it again?
Dinotenda.
You should say Carlton Ndinokuda.
Ndinokuda. Okay.
Ndinokuda.
Carlton Ndinokuda.
Nemoyo wangu.
Moyo wangu.
Wese.
Wese.
Can you say it again?
Ndinokuda. Moyo waso.
Nemoyo.
Nemoyo wangu.
Wese.
Wese.
Yes, can you say it again?
I wanted to say in Shona, but I'm failing.
Yes. I think you'll be there. You're not really failing. You'll be there soon. Can you try to do it again? Ndinokuda.
Ndinokuda, muyo mano.
Carlton, I love you with all my heart.
Okay.
That's what you wanted to say, right?
Yes.
So you say Carlton. Ndinokuda.
Ndinokuda.
Nemoyo wangu wese.
Moyo wangu wese.
Nemoyo wangu wese.
Moyo wangu wese.
Yes. Good job.
Moyo wangu wese.
Nemoyo.
Nemoyo wangu wese.
Yes. Now can you say it again?
All right, let me try. Okay. Carlton Ndinokuda muyo maso.
Nemoyo.
Nemoyo wange.
Nemoyo wangu.
Wangu.
Wose.
So
in short, just say Carlton Ndinokuda.
I think let's say, let me
Carlton
try to say
Ndinokuda.
Carlton Ndinokuda.
Oh, thank you. Me too. Ndinokuda Chanda nemoyo wangu wese.